Et on se retrouve pour la suite de Wolf Among Us. Donc il faut que j'enquête à mort, mec. Il y a des traces de sang, mec. Moi je vais aller voir ça, je vais ramasser les traces de sang.
Blood. Drops of blood. I'd say it's been here an hour maybe.
Je suis sûr que c'est Colline. Ah, qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Morceau de tissu. Qu'est-ce que ça peut bien être? L'origine du tissu remonte à loin.
Jeans. Doesn't tell me much.
Chercher un suspect qui porte un jean. Ok. Ah, apparemment il essaie de passer par là. Il s'est écouté sévère.
Just some loose trash. Blood. Still wet. Sharp enough.
Je passe. Et du coup.
Yep, more blood. Someone might have hopped the fence, got caught, then left the trail I found earlier.
Ok. Donc je peux pas sortir. Ah, par la Blanche-Neige, maintenant que j'ai fait toutes ces trouvailles magnifiques. Il y a vraiment rien d'autre là-bas, j'imagine. Non. Ah, les déplacements, quoi. Alors. Est-ce que tu reconnais ce jean? Mais...
What are you doing?
Better to be thorough.
Sure, just hurry up. We don't have much time. We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Bigby, do you have any idea what's going on? How did this happen? Why her?
This is a message.
A message? I don't know, Bigby. I get complaints at the office all the time, but... Just what about this makes you think that?
The victim. She could be a symbol for something.
Je dis n'importe quoi.
I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it.
I guess it's useless to drag it out.
That's how I feel too. I'm sure he won't be happy, but it's just part of the process. Hopefully he can be rational about it.
I wouldn't hold my breath.
I'm not.
I just don't want him interfering.
Crane's not what's important right now. We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a look at it. I'll meet you at the business office.
D'accord. Peut-être que j'aurais dû lui donner l'argent.
What are you, blind? What, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a half hour already. You get to just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like.
I work here.
And what great work you do, Sheriff.
Te péter la gueule.
That didn't feel very genuine.
Fucker.
J'ai entendu.
Because you are the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I do.
Don't interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a disaster.
It isn't anyone's fault. Instead of trying to assign blame, maybe we should figure out how to catch the fucker who did this.
Oh, is that how you see things? Sheriff, You are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost someone their life and the safety of the entire community. Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing. Because right now, I have half a mind to fire the both of you.
The woodsman is a person of interest. From what we've been able to gather, he was last seen with the victim.
The woodsman? That drunk wretch was the cause of this?
It's a lead. Nothing's certain yet.
Well, find him. Get him in here if that's all you have to go on. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow.
Yes? Sir?
Call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase? Oh, bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right. Do your job, Sheriff. Or we'll find someone who can.
You know what?
Stop. We'll get on it right away, sir.
Merde.
You would have just pissed him off more.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better. Well, maybe we should have dragged it out.
For what it's worth, I still think it was better to tell him.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and... Never mind. Smoke away.
Wine to a massage?
Probably a gift? The weird part of that is that he's actually being nice to someone. I know I bought that damn bottle.
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce truc?
Buffkin!
Hello, Miss Snow.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Maybe. How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
Ah!
Fine, Buffkin. Thanks for asking.
Buffkin, get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
Not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm
Et
talking
c'est
about.
la...
There's bound to be information on her here.
C'est la ferme, ça?
Somewhere.
Parce que là, il est en train de me balancer encore des trucs du livre des fables, c'est la fête. Alors, Ichabod Crane. En provenance de la ville hantée de Sleepy Hollow, Ichabod Crane est l'adjoint du maire de Fableville depuis presque 115 ans. Crane est une boule de nerfs qui prend son travail très au sérieux, cependant cela ne signifie pas qu'il le fait toujours bien. En tant qu'une des élites de Fableville, Crane est souvent sourd aux problèmes des citoyens les moins aisés. Par-dessus tout, Crane est autoritaire, lâche et cache toujours quelque chose. Et il a été joué par Johnny Depp dans le film. C'est beau. Alors, Buffkin, le bibliothécaire, d'accord. Buffkin est le singe ailé doué de paroles du magicien d'Oz. En tant que bibliothécaire de Fableville, il passe désormais son temps à lire et à voler l'agnole de l'adjoint au maire. Il est enclin à l'espièglerie, donc quand quelque chose va mal, il sait qu'il recevra la part du lion pour le blâme. Il est serviable quand il veut l'être, mais la plupart du temps, il préfère picoler. Quelqu'un l'aurait renvoyé il y a très longtemps, mais il est le seul pour qui le système de classement des livres a du sens. D'accord, donc lui c'est un allié. On tente pas l'énerver, quoi. Désolé,
We'll at least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, poke around. Maybe the mirror can help.
Hey!
I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything.
C'est pas de blanche. Ah, la lampe. C'est la lampe du génie?
This is Snow White, Mr. Crane's assistant.
Worth a try.
Non, ça marche pas. Tant pis, on va parler au miroir.
Hey, magic mirror. I got a question.
Est-ce que c'est moi la plus belle du royaume?
I don't have time for this shit.
Your impatience is callow. You're needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history and rules.
Mirror, mirror. if you're able, tell me all about this fable.
See? Was that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that. Fine. Of which fable do you wish to know?
Show me the woodsman. Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman stumbles down a street.
No shit. Which
T'es obligé
street?
de parler en rime à chaque
I'm
fois.
sorry, Bigby. I can only show you what can be seen.
Show me Snow White.
Bah ouais.
Not much of a request. She's in this very room.
Show me Buffkin. Hey! Put down the bottle and get to work.
Still looking!
I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do, I can't help you.
Show me Snow White.
Je sais pas pourquoi je fais ça. Voilà, super.
Not much of a request. She's in this very room.
Ok, donc ça va servir à rien.
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
Ok.
Well, I'm sure we'll get it all cleared up. Okay. Thank you.
Alors, où est-ce qu'ils ont trouvé les deux? Là. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Un jeu de tarot? La mort.
Strength.
Ah.
I guess it comes in all forms.
La mort. Attention, on va essayer quand même pour le côté dramatique. La mort. Ah!
Damn.
Non, merde.
What the fuck is this supposed to mean?
D'accord, celui-là il la vole. Ok. Ah, c'était une explosion pour le jeu, ça. Alors, voyons.
We'll start with these. Any information on fables in our community will be somewhere in these books.
Cherchons la fable de la prostituée. Ça c'est Blanche-Neige du coup. Les 7 nains qui ont l'air trop vraiment sympas. Le loup, le bûcheron. La bête, chaperon rouge, les 3 petits cochons. Podane. Ça pourrait être Podane. Ça c'est Ichabod. Monsieur le Furet, Monsieur Crapaud. Et elle, je pense que c'est elle. Voyons.
I've seen this before. This symbol on the man's clothes, it's the same
c'est
as
la
the
bague.
rings.
Could be her father or husband. This has most of the emblems of the old days and usually what family they come from. If it's in here, we'll have her name.
Ok. J'ai quand même envie de voir un peu la description des... Voyons, du grand méchant loup. C'est moi ça ou...
Me.
Eh ouais. Ah donc le bûcheron m'a tué quoi.
And him.
The woodsman?
Yep. And his axe.
Les 7 nains ils ont l'air trop, trop sympas. Quoi.
Yeah. Dwarves. Less said about that, the better.
Yeah, that's me. Back when... Ugh. Long time ago.
Ouais, non ça c'est pas le passé. Donc j'ai trouvé les armoiries. Hop. Non. Ah, voilà.
Ah, great.
What?
I can't read any of this shit.
I can help.
Yeah, thanks.
We look out for each other.
Don't overdo it. This is the one. Where's this symbol from? Which family or story?
That's an odd one. Family name? Alerairo? I'll go look it up.
Alelairo. That means every kind of fur in German.
Donkey skin.
Yes. What does it say?
Donkey skin girl, also known as donkey skin.
Yes.
Also known as ass skin. Prefers to go by the name Faith. Poetic?
Buffkin, we don't need the commentary.
The story of Donkey Skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her husband promise to only marry the most beautiful girl in the kingdom. After a long search, it became clear that the only woman in the land that could match her beauty was... his daughter, Faith. She had a magic cloak made from the skin of her father's prized donkey that would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom. Eventually, she married a prince who could see past the magic cloak and knew her true beauty. And they lived happily ever after. Should I mark it, Miss Snow?
Yes. Please. And what's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
J'avoue, ça marche, c'est un peu
We got what we
mais
came
moi,
for.
je suis resté bouche bée.
Her name's Faith. She was married to Prince Lawrence. I mean, that's more than we...
Name was Faith.
Yeah.
Juste avant, excusez-moi, je coupe à chaque fois, mais je veux le livre des fables. Face. Face, aussi connu comme Podane, a traversé l'Exode depuis les royaumes magiques avec seulement ses vêtements sur le dos, son mari, sa vie et rien d'autre. Elle fut autrefois une magnifique princesse mariée et heureuse avec le prince Lawrence d'un royaume voisin. Sa vie aurait pu avoir une fin heureuse, mais la ville des communs qu'est New York n'a pas été tendre avec elle ni avec son mariage. Sans argent, Faith se débrouille maintenant pour payer le loyer de son appartement miteux dans la périphérie de Fableville. Elle a une vie difficile, mais elle fait ce qu'elle peut pour survivre dans un monde inconnu. Et là, elle est morte. Voilà.
We should talk to the husband.
You think he did it?
No, I don't. But we need to let him know about his wife.
Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il faut que je fasse là? Je cherche le prince Lawrence, comment ça s'appelle? Ah non, faut que j'aille parler au miroir du coup. Comment on sort? Voilà. Il est où le miroir? Putain, je suis beau, quoi. Miroir, miroir, mon beau miroir. Tiens, une carte.
You know what this means?
Tarot is a backwards art. I wouldn't put too much stock in its wisdom, Bigby.
Not when you've been so helpful.
Prevision's muddy. I'm as clear as a window.
C'est pas faux.
Mirror, mirror, blah blah able, blah 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 about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Face.
Show me Faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed. Unfortunately for you, these lips are sealed.
What?
These lips are sealed. It's not my choice of phrasing, Bigby. It's simply the way this has to be.
Ok, bon ben, le prince alors.
He's a prince, I think. Show me Prince Lawrence.
Oh oh.
What's he been doing? Where is this?
Where's what?
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow building, red window shutters.
Red frames.
Yep, that's the one. I can take us there.
Dans le père.
Show me Faith's father, the old king.
D'accord.
Guess that crosses him off the suspect list. Nobody right now.
Anything we can use?
Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on. We're going over there. Sorry. I have to get that. Hello, Woodland's business office. Yes, He is. Hold on. Bigby. It's for you.
Bigby, it's me, Toad. You there?
What do you want?
Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, Bigby, before he... Oh, wait, hang on. Oi, shit. Hey!
Ok.
What was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know, I couldn't really tell. But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her apartment. Toad might have to wait.
Ouais, mais il a l'air en
Whenever
danger,
you're
le
ready.
gars, quoi.
Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
I don't know, it's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't seem like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him. He could use some help, too.
Well, where to first?
On va aider Toad.
Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's
You
things.
think he did it? What's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
Bigby, it's me, Toad.
Ah, je vais aider Crapaud.
Toad
Je pense
sounds
qu'il va
like
y
he
avoir
needs
Canet dans
help
son
right
siège.
now. We can check in on Prince Lawrence after.
Okay. I'm not looking forward to breaking the news to him anyway.
On peut se dépêcher un peu, je pense qu'il est en danger en fait.
And we ended up going out the window, and I landed on Toad's car.
You guys made a real mess.
Yeah, looks worse in the day.
Is somebody up there?
Si je montais.
Wait here. Shit.
Non mais surtout qu'on y est allé en marchant, on est passé de la nuit au jour, tu t'es pas pressé non plus.
I'm sorry!
That's enough, all right? Just shut it!
Pleure. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Mais il y a plein de choses qui se passent quoi. Il y a une affaire de meurtre en cours et des gens qui pleurent, c'est la fête.
Is that his son?
Toad's? I think.
Be nice in there, okay?
Hey, Toad. You in there?
Bigby! And Miss White! Surely you didn't come all this way just for my bother? Sorry, Bigby. It's embarrassing to have to admit, but I thought there was someone else in Woody's place. There wasn't, though. Not when I checked. Nothing but a leaky drain pipe. Imagination must have got the best of me. So, you know, false alarm.
There was someone, but they took off when we got here.
Is that right? I guess your dad's ears have a year or two left. Haven't gone totally to the dogs, eh?
You alright?
He's fine, Miss White. Just stung his little toe. Better swimmer than Walker, just like his dad.
Wanna...
So, I guess you'll be taking off now. No need to hang around here anymore.
Tu me donnes un ordre?
I mean, I'm sorry you came all the way here for nothing. But it was nothing, really.
Somebody was in your building. This is for your own safety, Toad. You called us, remember?
Yeah, I know, and I appreciate it, mate, but...
Conduit bizarrement, là.
Relax. We'll be out of here in a minute. I just want to check things out first.
All right. I just don't want to waste your time, is all. Have a seat. Have a cup of tea. Whatever you like.
Phew. Grown-ups. Am I right? Hey, you know what? Flycatcher said you had a pretty awesome insect collection. I'd really love to see it. Is it in your room?
It has a weevil.
Cool.
Just mind the upholstery while you're looking for nothing.
Yeah, sure thing. How'd this happen?
Fucking hell. Damn thing must have fell off a table.
Uh-huh. The lamp just fell off the table.
Or the boy was faffing about, playing sods and swordfish. Who knows with the lad?
Ah oui, carrément.
What happened here?
The poker? What of it?
There's fresh blood on the tip. I could smell it from the door.
I was poking the coals and it slipped a bit. Sliced up in my foot like a seashell. Looked like a shit ugly thing.
Sounds painful.
Oi! Don't you go mother-henning now. The wound didn't sit very long, you know. Perks of being a fable, I suppose. And a frog.
Paraît suspect quand même. Ah, qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
I've really been meaning to clean the place.
There's more blood over here.
Oh? Really?
Yeah? Still fresh?
Well, like I told you, I cut me hand. Ran around like a tit trying to pick out a rat. Must have got some on the furnishments. If you're gonna say something, out with it.
Wait, you cut your hand? You told me before that you cut your foot.
Yeah, no, I did cut my hand. I cut my hand first, and that made me drop the damn thing on my foot. Ruinous flip of events, really. Oh my God, will you not make a big faff out of this? There's nothing to solve here, Sheriff. I'm telling you everything that happened. Why don't you believe me?
Parce que tu mens.
I mean, things happen, you know.
I think maybe you're hiding something.
Hiding something?
Maybe. But, to tell you the truth, I don't know yet. But I know you're lying about something.
But I'm not...
And you're just gonna make it worse for yourself the longer you keep up the act.
I'm not bullshitting you. Honest.
We'll see.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Poussière.
That more blood?
No, just a clean space in the dust. Did you move something?
Ah, maybe one of Junior's toys or something. I mean, who knows?
Un truc octogonal.
Bloody hell, Bigby. What sinister bit have you uncovered this time? I left the tap water running? Didn't stop the recycling? What's the point of all this, mate? Really?
I That broken lamp used to be here, right? Just tell me what happened.
Nothing happened, mate. Nothing! And why did the lamp have to be there, of all the blooming pointless inquiries? It's my own place. Don't you think I know what happens in it?
Because the lamp was always over here, Toad. It was over here, and now it's there. The space in the dust is from where you moved
I did some refiguring. Who fucking cares? Bloody hell, mate. Come on, get off with this.
Ah, tu commences à me fatiguer en fait là. Faut que j'aille voir l'intérieur, c'est ça?
I think my junior has a crush on your girl.
Toad, I know you're lying about the lamp.
The lamp fell is all. I bumped it, coming in from the thing.
The lamp could not possibly have fallen, Toad. You had it plugged in over here the whole time. Someone ripped the lamp out of the wall and threw the thing. That's what happened, isn't it?
Qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire?
Look, you want me out of here, I want out of here. Just come clean. What's going on?
Place needs a little brooming, that's all.
Oh putain, j'ai tellement envie de t'éclater la gueule quoi.
Though most people think they are.
Uh-huh. How's it going?
Toad's hiding something, but I don't know what yet. Did the kid say anything?
No, nothing really. He was really upset though earlier. He won't say why. Something's going on.
Stay with the kid until I figure out what.
Ah bah alors je sais plus où chercher. Il va pas parler ce con. Verrou défoncé. Ah bah je vais pas regarder.
And why's the lock busted?
Eh?
The lock. It looks like somebody kicked in the door.
A spot of dust and a broken lock. What are you getting at, mate? Oh, for Christ's sakes, the fucking lock's been busted for weeks, mate. Right, it's just like everything else in this bloody building.
Putain mais tu mens mais tellement quoi. Je vais essayer de refaire un dernier tour au cas où j'ai raté des choses. Mais après je deviens brutal, hein, je te préviens.
There's some marks here, on the windowsill. And what's that about?
No real reason. Just last night, when I'd come out, I was in a downright tizzy, mate, as you would be. And I plumb forgot the keys to this place. And I had to climb in through the bloody window.
Really?
Scared Junior half to death. You heard the new Shakin' Stevens album yet?
Junior was home. Why didn't he let you in?
It was the middle of a sodding night, Bigby. I'm supposed to wake him because his jammy daddy didn't remember to check his pockets. Bigby, come on, I'm begging for mercy over here, old boy. I was looking forward to a nice afternoon, just me and me son, and you've taken up enough of a day with all this sniffing around at me private belongings. I'm sorry I called, really I am, but will you please just bugger off?
Oh, not yet.
Not yet, you say, to my face. You think I'm hiding something from you? Well, you've had to go out of the room for a fair bit of time now. Nothing's here. So when? When are you gonna leave? I mean, I feel like I'm on trial here. In my own bloody home.
When? When you start telling me the truth, Toad.
Well, I've told you the truth, mate. Jesus Christ, what more do you want?
Je veux la vraie vérité. Ouais, je te menace, j'en ai marre.
This is all getting a bit stressful, all right?
I have my limit for bullshit, Toad. And I think we reached it 10 minutes ago. Now, you're gonna tell me what's going on here, or I'm gonna start...
Dad!
Bigby, is this really necessary?
Oui.
Oh. This is the job, Snow. You may not like it, but this is the job.
Dad?
Oh my god.
Take off your hat.
Bigby, you didn't...
He didn't. It was that butcher, a Tweedle, Dumody. You gotta strip them down to their johnnies before you can tell which is which. He come barging in, screaming about something the woodsman had. Or thought he had, I don't know. He tore up the place, beat me up when I said I didn't have it. I tried to go out the window, but he pulled me back in.
What was he looking for?
I don't have a fucking clue, Sheriff. I would have told you. I wanted to, really, I did. But he said if word of this ever got back to him, if he ever thought you knew, or Miss White, he'd come back and kill my boy. I even tried to give the bastard a coat. He wouldn't take it.
Whose coat?
The girl.
Dad borrows things from people who live here. Sometimes.
Borrows?
I don't steal nothing. Turn around here would astonish you, mate. I merely repossess what's been left behind.
Well, we'll be taking the coat now. If she has next of kin, family, anyone.
All right. Fetch him the fur. Fine bit of dress it is.
Ah bah putain, qu'est-ce qu'il faut pas faire pour faire avancer les choses? Mais c'est la peau d'âne.
No, I wouldn't wear it outside.
Wait. It's an envelope.
Fucking hell, of course there is. For my luck, it's a map to some bloody doubloons.
It's addressed to Prince Lawrence. Do you want to try and give it to him, or...?
I'm sorry. Faith.
What could she have been sorry for?
I don't know. But maybe Lawrence does.
Well, it's been quite a surprising day for all of us, hasn't it? I'd see you out, but I'm afraid of dripping any more blood in the place.
Du coup, il faut qu'on aille voir le prince Lawrence.
It was very nice talking to you, TJ.
Et les frères.
Thanks. See ya.
Tweedledum et Tweedledee, ou je sais pas quoi.
I'll be honest, Bigby, I don't really know how to feel about what happened in there.
We got what we came for. Some information. He'll be all right.
So, the prince is now?
Lawrence is. Yeah. It's our best lead.
Our only lead, really.
When you put it that way.
I don't want to stay here any longer than we have to, so let's just pick an approach and stick to it, okay? Just humor me.
When the magic mirror showed me this apartment, I think I saw a knife inside, covered in what looked like blood.
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
Well, like I said, let's not overcomplicate things. You can question him while I look around for it.
If he objects.
We're here on official Fabletown business, and we can be persuasive if necessary. Or you can.
Eh bien, l'interrogation du prince Lawrence, c'est pour la prochaine fois.